OABC is a kite. Work out the equation of AC. And work out the coordinates of B. Okay, let's have a look at this then. So I've got the question summarized here. The equation of AC first then. What's the gradient? So let's work out gradient of this line. The increase in y, well, it goes from, it will be 0, take away 4, so it goes down 4 basically. The increase in x, it goes from 12, 0 up to 12, so 12 take 0 is 12. So the gradient is minus 1/3. So this is part A then. So here, okay, let's have a look at this. So here, y minus, now we can go through this coordinate, can't we? 4 is equal to the gradient minus 1/3 times x minus the x coordinate, which is 0. So we end up with then y is equal to minus 1/3 x. Just expand this bracket and then move the 4 over to plus 4. So that's the equation of the tangent of the line AC. Part B, work out the coordinates of B. So let's have a look at that then. Let's go back up to the diagram. Okay. Right. So how do we get B then? Here. Okay, it's a kite. So we've got this line. It's a kite. We know this height is 4. This height is 12. Okay, so we could work out this length with Pythag. Yeah, we could do. Okay. Yeah, but I'd much rather work out this. Could work out the angle here, I suppose. What have we got then? Oh, okay. Yeah, we could work out the... Let's work out some lengths then. So, this is 4 and 12, so this entire length here then. Use Pythag. 12 squared is 144, and 16. So here, I just put it up here. We've got 144 plus 4 squared is 16. Add them together, you get root 160. That's root 16 times root 10. And that equals 4 root 10. So this entire length is 4 root 10. Okay, I don't know if that helps us much. This is 4. Okay. This angle here. If I worked out this angle, I could work out a drop of vertical here. That's a right angle triangle. So I know that's a 90 degrees. I know this angle here. So I could work out this angle in here. But this angle here is the same as that one there. So if I call this alpha, because these two add up to 90 and these two add up to 90, then this will also be alpha. Okay, so what have we got then? So I know the height. This is alpha. By symmetry of the kite, this also is alpha. So if we look at the height then, if we drop a horizontal, this length here is 4. And this length here, this height here, will be 4 sine alpha, won't it? For No, it won't be, because alpha was the whole angle. Okay. Nasty. OABC is a kite. Work out the equation of AC. And work out the coordinates of B. Okay, work out the equation AC and work out the coordinates of the point B. Right, so that's what we've got then. Here's our problem. Just tidy it up. Okay, here it is. There's a kite, and we need to find out these two things. Let's have a look at it then. Part A. So what have we got then? Work out the equation of AC. We need the gradient of this line. Is equal to the increase in y, the difference between the y's then, 0 minus 4, divided by the increase in x is 12 minus 0. Minus 4 over 12 is minus 1/3. So this has gradient minus 1/3. It's a kite, so this is perpendicular here. This length is the same as this length, so I've put the height 4 in already, and that side is 4. This length here is 12, because the x-coordinate here is 12, so this length is 12. Okay, the equation of AC then, so here, y minus, let's take the y value here, 4, is equal to the gradient of the line, minus 1/3, and then it's x minus the x-coordinate, which is 0. So y is equal to then, expand the bracket, minus 1/3 x, and move the 4 over to plus 4. So there's the gradient of this tangent here, the equation of the tangent with gradient minus 1/3. Okay, so work out the coordinates of B. This line is perpendicular, so the gradient of this line then well, the product is minus 1, so this must be 3, mustn't it, to give a product of minus 1. So that gradient is 3. Okay, so this line here is y equals 3x. And we know this line, so we can find the coordinates here. So this line is y equals the gradient, 3x then, because it goes through the origin. So we'll call this E. So at E, y equals 3x, and y equals minus 1/3 x plus 4 meet. So 3x then must equal minus 1/3 x plus 4. The y values meet. 1/3 and a 3 is 10/3, isn't it, x? So move that over and add them. It's equal to 4. X is equal to, move the 3 up to times is 12, and move the 10 down to divide is 10, which is 1.2. And then we can work out y. It's 3x, isn't it? So it's 3 lots of 1.2 equals 3.6. So we know this coordinate here, E, is 1.2 and 3.6. The reason we worked that out was because this line, there's symmetry, this length, I'll put 3 dashes on it, is the same as this length. So if we know this coordinate here, we just double them up and we'll get the coordinate of B, won't we? So at B, y is equal to double this, 7.2, and x is equal to double this, 2.4. In other words, B has coordinates 2.4 and 7.2.